Now, talking about the flavor profile is absolutely fine, is more brighter. Now, I want you to understand or basically imagine a perspective, right? Okay, so there is a mix, and in the mix, you are using mint or menthol. So let's say must have frosty or tangy skin mint. When you mix it, let's say in 20-30% or 30% proportion, making the mix not very minty, not very mentholy, I would say. And in those kind of scenarios, what happens is when you start the session, after an hour or so, the mint diminishes, the menthol, even the frosty and all, it diminishes after like 40-45 minutes, and you are left with the flavor and not the mint aspect. But in case of a savant, I don't know how it's doing. It is at least retaining the mintiness of the flavor that you have mixed for at least 1.5 hours. So, and on an average session is around 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes, but it sustains longer. The mint composition or the mintiness of the mix sustains longer in a savant, which is very surprising. I still don't know how they are doing it,